Before COVID 19, everything was easy for a travel plan. We were just worried about to reach on time and packing stuff. But now so many things have changed due to coronavirus. Now traveling is not like as before. Hey guys, it's Minaz. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to share my international travel experience from India to Europe in this coronavirus situation. And I am to talk about from our flight journey to COVID-19 test. So yeah, let's start. We traveled in the month of October 2020 from Bangalore, India to Copenhagen, Denmark with connected flight from Amsterdam. Before that, let me tell you one thing guys. We were so worried about this travel mainly because we were traveling with 3 years old kid. But due to work we had to travel. First thing we checked before traveling if we need COVID-19 test result to be shown at the airport, and we found COVID test result was not mandatory at that time. We have to fill one declaration form stating that we will be getting tested ourselves at the airport after landing in Denmark. So we have not done any test from India before travel. But guys, now condition may not be the same. So please always check that specific state or country's government website for COVID-19 restrictions and guidelines. We reached at the Bangalore airport quite early. When we were entering at the airport, on entrance, security team checked our temperature, flight details and ID through glass window, so it was completely contactless. Airport was not as crowded as usual, but still there were a lot of people. After done with our check-in, we finished our immigration and security check. And then we found super empty space to sit. We finished everything so early, like we waited for our flight around hour to start boarding. And when it started for boarding, we were last to board. We were flying through a KLM Airlines for both of the flights. One good thing was that there was no one next to us as we were 3, so one side single row was ours, but flight was almost full. Guys, in this flight they have not provided any protective gears like mask and face shield. And mask was mandatory to wear at the airport and in the flight. So we carried extra mask with sanitizer. Our journey was almost for 14 hours. So we kept changing our mask. We were just being extra cautious and using sanitizer every time we touched anything at the airport and in the flight. We were quite worried because we didn't know how things are going to be right now. But yeah, it was quite smooth. So early in the morning, we reached at Amsterdam airport. There again we did immigration and security check. Airport was little crowdy, but here also everything went smooth and we boarded our next flight for Copenhagen, Denmark. You know, my kid Arish also wearing a mask most of the time and he was cooperating a lot. In this flight, he got some activity book to do some time pass, and meal was also good in both the flight. Do you know guys, around 50% of electricity comes in Denmark from wind power, and Denmark ranks first in the world to produce electricity from wind. And here we are landing in Copenhagen, Denmark. After landing, we did immigration check and collected our luggage. After that, we bought local SIM card and went for a COVID test at the airport's COVID center, which was near parking 5, that is P5. There they collected our throat swab with ice cream stick, which was not at all painful and hardly took 2 seconds, and informed that if we are positive we will get a call in 72 hours, and if we are negative we will not get a call. And second test we have to take near our house in any COVID center on a 4th day. 1 week we self-quarantine ourselves at home until we received 2 negative test results, but we were allowed to go to buy grocery and normal walk with safety measures. So that's it guys, and our both tests came negative. After that my husband started going to office for a work, and but current situation is not good as like before when we came here because of this new corona strains. So in my next video I am going to share about current situation of COVID where we are staying, and also I want to share what things we did before coming and after coming in Denmark from India. And please let me know any recommendation, any suggestion in the comment box. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care, bye bye.